In winter, three species of harrier migrate around Nagpur: Montagu, pied, and hero of our story, Pallid Harrier. This Shikra dived and killed a quail. This Pallid Harrier male also dived and snatched it away from Shikra. Pallid Harrier male moved with the snatched kill and settled at a comfortable place. The helpless Shikra perched on a nearby tree. Soon, Pallid Harrier started removing feathers of the quail in order to start eating that. When Harrier started enjoying the food, Shikra was helplessly sitting on the nearby tree and watching his kill eaten by someone else. Frustrated Shikra soon attacked the Pallid Harrier but failed. Sat nearby, waiting for an opportunity to snatch it away again. Harrier did not give him an opportunity to attack and whack it. So Shikra sat at about 5 to 10 feet away from the Pallid and watched helplessly Pallid eating his kill. Do not know why and how, but Shikra anticipated an attack on him, so it moved little away from the Pallid Harrier. And exactly as anticipated by Shikra, the Pallid Harrier, after finishing the grub, attacked Shikra and drove him away. This all happened in about 10 minutes and made short story out of it. Thanks watching. Hope you liked it.